James. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. And Noah's my wingman today. We are at Three Oaks with Big Brudda'S bird. And
AKA Uncle Gary.
yes, Big Brudda'S bird is about ready to launch. Prepare for launch. Trim set's good. Timer's countdown. Now, Noah James wants to see some moves, like split S's, right there, right there. Yes, you did. And down we go. Let's bring it right at us here. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, bring her down. And let's throttle back. Let's do a nice wing roll. There's your wing roll. Whoop, a little sloppy. Let's do a nice low level. And bring her back around. Let's get some altitude here, boys. And that goes up faster than the Cub, don't it? Here's a move for you. Right on her back. Now this is dead stick. I'm just conserving energy. Look at this, Noah. No throttle. See how smooth the turns are? That's what you want to do.
High speed attack.
Alright.
High speed bombing.
The young one wants a high-speed attack, huh?
Yep.
Alright, we can do that. Let's bring her around. Throttle up. Drop the nose. Here it comes.
Death spiral.
No.
Why?
Not a good idea.
You need to get some altitude.
No.
That would have been a nice picture if I did it.
Here you go, Noah. You like that? Uh-oh, we got a chopper. Stay down low. Stay out of his airspace.
Flying right over us. Get out there. Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
Huh, did you just go near it?
No.
Oh.
Alright, we got to do a phony approach here. Half flaps. Away from the trees.
Huh, is it done already?
I'm in a dead stick. No.
Oh, okay. Touch and go.
No.
It's turning left.
Yeah, I got a little crosswind. Plenty of room to roll. How much time we got left? 25 seconds. Might as well bring her around. Let's bring her around. We got plenty of power. Got to lose some altitude. Let's do it this way. Here we go. Here we go.
You're down, you're hit, you're hit,
No.
you're hit. Come on, Maverick, you have to get back here.
Got to grease it. Gotta grease it.
Click, 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 click.
Here comes Big Brudda'S bird. Safe and sound. Back to the nest. High five. Good job, crew chief.